making hot dog bombs.
Hot dog bombs.
Okay.
Brooklyn, you got my attention.
I know.
I love this. What's going on?
I would love to take credit like I actually created this, but we definitely used a company to come up with this. Whenever I said I wanted a recipe for Halloween that involved hot dogs, I thought that we were going to put a crescent roll around it, little mustard eyes, and we were going to call it a mummy, but instead we have hot dog bombs.
But you know what? This is kind of cool because it's different.
Wild. It's wild.
I didn't know Kentucky Legend did hot dogs.
Yes.
I'm pretty pumped about this.
So we just came out with hot dogs. They are all beef, so this is like the Cadillac of hot dogs. They're phenomenal, 100% all beef. So all beef hot dogs are very juicy. So while you're making this recipe, you're definitely going to see some of that wonderful juice happening.
Okay, so this is in stores now. We can get this.
And it's brand new. So you're going to, once you find it, please buy it. We want to make sure we get it on the shelves and then off the shelves at home.
There you go. All right, it's a big rollout.
So what we've done now is we put a tablespoon of olive oil. We also have 3 Kentucky Legend hot dogs in here that we chopped up, and we also have 1 small onion. Don't go too wild on the onions.
Okay.
In total, we let this all saute for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
So we are going to add in 1 plum tomato.
Nice. Very fall-like of you.
We are
that
going
you
to
chopped
do
up the hot dogs.
Yes, that was really weird and awkward. I'm not going to lie.
Because you're like, I've never done that before.
I've never chopped up hot dogs.
Oh, I remember doing that when my little one was, when she was little, chopping up hot dogs for her so she could eat it, but that's the only time. Okay, so
A
garlic.
clove of garlic.
There you go.
And then we are going to do a pinch of red pepper flakes.
Nice.
Oh, I love
I don't know how much
heat.
you... Oh, you went in.
a little.
She went in.
Just did it.
All
Just
in.
did
It'll be
it.
nice and spicy.
It's
So,
Carol.
We are going
exactly.
to...
Carol likes hot stuff.
We're going to cook this for about 3 minutes, but we can start kind of moving it on everything else.
Yeah, okay.
So this is...
What's that?
What do you do into the hot dog?
I know. I'm
I mean,
shocking
listen,
and
I
annoying right
love
now.
kale.
What
This
That's
is kale.
kale?
I love kale, but what?
I know. You guys, I don't know what to say.
I kind of love it. You know what? Here's the thing. If you're doing a hot dog and you put some kale with it, then you're getting a little bit of healthy stuff.
I feel like you have to do a little something. We're going to add salt and pepper.
That
We're
looks
going to put
good.
something in here besides the hot dogs. And whenever you're putting the salt and
like
pepper in,
kale.
you know, keep in mind hot dogs are not known for being like really low in sodium, so don't go crazy.
Oh,
with
it's
your salt.
a great point, because usually when I have kale in a pan, I like to add some salt, but you're right.
Just
Those
a
hot
little.
dogs already have enough flavor.
Yes.
Okay, now
So-
what is the dough that we have over here to the right?
So I'm just going to let you know we are going to cover this. We're going to act like we're going to cover this.
Sure.
And
It's
you're
gonna
going
cook for
to
a minute.
wait
Right, because
until it
then
wilts.
the steam will help. But if you want, you can throw a little bit of water in there, and that will cause
it a
the
little
steam
better.
to. Well, it helps it steam.
Well, that's
quicker.
good to know.
Just to know.
So what you're also going to do, keep in mind in this recipe, you are going to take this, and we have it in a plate over here, so if you
Okay.
want to grab that.
I think we should just show off our model. Should we not?
Who,
Oh,
what is
come
his
on,
name?
guys.
Do we have his
Come
name?
on, take a wide shot. What are you
Oh,
doing to me?
there it is.
There we go.
There it is.
Hello. I
So-
mean, it's not every day you have a skeleton
His name's
with hot
Bones.
dog and kale.
I just named him Bones.
I
Bones
love
is eating.
Bones is a
Look
good-
at how
that's a good
happy he
name.
is.
Bones.
Here.
All right.
Can you see?
I
He's
texted a picture
enjoying
with
this.
him. My boyfriend was like, make sure he eats. He's all bones. I was like, you're so clever, honey.
That's so
That's
cute.
actually hilarious.
I know. He's funny. So we put this in here, and we let it cool off. And I
Okay.
just did a really attractive
There you go.
Is
Got
it
it.
meat in there.
Slide
Got
it. Is it slid on down? I love it.
We have 1 cup of mozzarella cheese.
Okay.
And then we used 1/4 cup of Parmesan.
Oh, yum.
And then we are going to mix that together. And this is pizza dough.
Okay.
So they suggest in the recipe to get a ball. Like, that seems like so much more work than just buying the
Roll
flat,
out,
like,
right.
sheet.
I'm
Like,
with
this
you.
is life.
Roll out.
So you
Oh,
do...
you're so right. If you brought a dough ball, you'd
you're
have to
gonna knead it.
stretch and the thing. Yeah, yeah.
That's
I got
work I'm not in for.
You got the
Roll
one
it
in the
down.
can and rolled it
Exactly.
out.
Good
I
stuff.
put a
You're
spoon
so
and I
smart.
popped it open.
I like
anyway,
you.
Love you.
So we cut it 4 by 4. I took a whole group of it for this. So you're going to put it in the middle.
Okay.
And then you're going to fold that bad boy like a wonton.
Oh. Well, this is kind of fun. This would be fun for the
is.
kids.
Yes.
Do you want it all up?
Yeah.
I noticed you have it all
That
up.
it should be all up.
Because
One said
technically
goodbye.
for a wonton, you know, I mean, I could just, I don't even know. I can't remember.
You're doing a great job
I
on it.
used to work at a restaurant when I was a kid.
You did?
I used to have to make wontons. It was a-
Carol.
Yes.
We're going to put it on a
happening?
parchment line.
But now I
baking
can't remember
sheet.
how to do it. So
How
I'm
long
gonna
do you
do
have
it
to
here real
bake
quick.
them?
Sorry. You have the oven at 425 for 15 to 18 minutes. Now, before you pop them in, you do want to do a little egg bath, shimmy it on there, and then put a little poppy seed.
You just do
There you
little
go.
brush.
Yes.
Yes. Poppy
Y'all wanna
seeds.
try?
Yeah,
I know.
bring me one of those bad boys. Hey, you know what? This is going to be, I know you were saying for Halloween, which is really smart. That looks really pretty, Brooklyn.
Thank you.
But this would be great for a game. Like you got everybody coming over
Yeah,
for the
game
game.
day.
Game day food.
And we use the
Digging
spicy marinara sauce as well.
Ooh, okay. Kentucky Legend. Any grocery store close to you for information, recipe ideas, check it all out at KentuckyLegend.com. You're always the bomb. We love you.
Oh, That was really clever today.
So now you dip it in
I did?
marinara.
Yes.
See what I did there?
I did.
Hot dog bomb. I kind of love it. I'm not gonna lie. It's really good.
I'm just gonna
Okay.
sit here and chew for like 6 minutes.
Comedy with a message coming up.